Welcome fellow car lovers. There are two trucks in America that everyone knows that comes from the same brand, and this video will see which is the one to buy. I am talking about the 2024 Toyota Tacoma and the 2024 Toyota Tundra. Let's go see how they compare. The Tacoma is fully redesigned for the 2024 model year, which marks the midsize pickup truck's fourth generation. Along with inheriting a variant of the body-on-frame TNGAF platform shared with the recently redesigned Toyota Tundra, the new Tacoma receives updated powertrains and more. Tundra sees a few cosmetic and package updates for 2024. The TRD off-road package is now available on the Platinum grade. The Nightshade package is now available on the Limited grade, and the full-size, 12.3-inch digital instrument panel is now standard on Limited. The Tacoma as standard is equipped with a 2.4-liter turbo four-cylinder outputting 228 ponies and 243 pound-feet of torque. It uses an 8-speed auto transmission and has an MPG rating of 20 city 26 highway for rear-wheel drive and 19 city 24 highway for four-wheel drive. Its towing capacity is a measly 3,500 pounds, while the truck starts at $31,500 for the base SR trim to $55,800 for the top limited iForce Max. The Tundra is equipped with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 as standard that produces 358 ponies and 406 pound-feet of torque. This comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and has a towing capacity of 8,300 pounds, while MPG ratings are 18 city 24 highway for rear-wheel drive and 17 city 23 highway for four-wheel drive. Starting price for the Tundra is $39,965 for the SR to $78,845 for the Capstone. Despite being a smaller truck, the Tacoma surprisingly has more ground clearance than the Tundra at 11.5 inches compared to 9.3 inches. Unlike the Tundra, the Tacoma also has a manual transmission and an electronically controlled locking rear differential available. However, the standard engine has a very low towing capacity as a truck, and the Tacoma only gets leaf rear spring suspension as standard, unlike the Tundra that gets coil spring multi-link rear suspension. Of course, the Tacoma also has a lower overall maximum towing capacity than the Tundra, as expected. As mentioned, the Tundra has more maximum towing capacity than the Tacoma, 12,000 pounds compared to Tacoma's 6,500 pounds. The seats of the Tundra also has good support for longer trips, and there are available sport or off-road tuned Bilstein shocks for those who needs them. Despite being a bigger vehicle, the Tundra only gets an 8-inch infotainment as standard and is not catered for families as it lacks interior storage. Although the double cab is not small, the leg room provided does resemble the one offered by the double cab version of the Tacoma. In summary, the Tacoma is a smaller truck that can't compare to the Tundra as a workhorse. However, it is a better off-road vehicle and is catered for different kinds of tastes with its many trims. As long as you don't go for the SR, the Tacoma is a more rugged and cheaper alternative to the Tundra. The Tundra may not look as great as the Tacoma and cost more, but it justifies its price by being a bigger, more capable workhorse with a comfortable ride. The Tundra also has more options available despite not having as many trims as the Tacoma. However, it does waste gas and lacks interior storage. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications and subscribe.